Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're in the kitchen. Why are we in the kitchen? Because I want to show you guys my new appliance and maybe we'll test it out together. So what is that new appliance? It is, well, you're not going to know from this, but it's an air fryer, and it came with a recipe book. And let me show you guys. I've looked at it, so let me show you the box first before I show you the contents of the box. Come on, girl, get it together. Okay, so this is it. The brand is Gourmet. It is a digital air fryer. So it is a digital air fryer. What does that mean? It is, first of all, it's touchscreen, so that's why it's digital. So yeah, it has cooking options as well as it has other options. So you can bake, you can roast, you can broil, you can dehydrate, keep it warm, reheat, and then you have the other cooking options on it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about. So it has, you know, the screen for you to put in the heat and the time, and these are the other options that you have. As I just said, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, reheat. And then you have your other cooking options over here, which are air fry, fries, wings, bacon, seafood, vegetables, and so on. So yeah, I got this air fryer from PriceSmart. So I ordered it and I went and I picked it up, and here we are, guys. This has been a dream of mine. I think I wanted an air fryer for my birthday, from even before that, but you get the picture. It's a long time coming and it's finally here, and I have so many plans for it. So yeah, let me show it to you. Let's unbox it, because I haven't really used it. As I said, I just took it out and, you know, I opened the box and I took it out and whatever. But yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so when you open the box, you will notice that it's so well packaged. So it comes with, you know, your personal styrofoam, and then you have the air fryer in there. So before I take it out and show you, this is one of my favorite things about this thing. This right here, it comes with a recipe book. I mean, some of the recipes are not really, you know, are not your normal things, you know, your common stuff that we would do, but I'm excited to try out some of them. So yeah, this is what I love about it. It comes with a recipe book and it also comes with the manual, but you know, we're young, so we don't need that. But yeah, and it comes with warnings as well as a thank you card and a notice. And it says, note, there might be a plastic smell coming from the air fryer during the first few uses. This is normal and in no way harmful. To get rid of the plastic smell, you can run a 30-minute cycle with an empty basket at the highest temperature. Okay. I don't work with JPS, so we're not going to do that, but you know, for those who would want to try it, yeah. But this was a pretty affordable and modern option, because I really love the fact that it was, you know, touchscreen and such, and that it had the bake option and the, you know, the roast and all those other options. Because listen, my TikTok page has been, you know, killing me with ideas and stuff I could try in the air fryer. So yeah, I'm ready to be a part of that world, and Gourmet made that possible at a pretty affordable price. This is not a paid promotion, I'm just excited. No, yeah, I paid, call it $11,000. It was $10,000 something over PriceSmart. So yeah, we can round it up to 11, and yeah, this is what it is. So without further ado, let's take it out and let's see what's inside. Okay, let me try and tilt this. Oh my god. So, see. Here we are. So, let's first start there. So we have some space and we're putting it on this. But yeah, guys, it is, let me see, let me try and show you guys what I'm doing. So yeah guys, this is her. Very nice. Can you tell I'm excited? Let me take it off the styrofoam so it can breathe. But yeah, this is what we're working with. So yeah, this is what we're working with. This is how it looks. So this is her when she's 1. And yeah. This is why we need the manual. Okay, understood. So yeah, so let me tell you guys, so this is her. Very nice, very demure, very cutesy. Yeah, love it. And let me show you what we're gonna make in there. So what we're actually gonna make in here is some roasted potatoes, but I'm just trying to preheat this thing so I can, you know, I understand why they sit there, probably with the smell. But let me disinfect it and such, and I'll pick up back when we're ready to cook and when it's preheated. So it's preheating. I think it's at 400 for 20 minutes, so it says to preheat it, and then we're gonna add our potatoes. So let's get into that now. So yes guys, today's menu consists of roasted potatoes and stewed pork. Stewed pork is already done. These are the roasted potatoes. This is the part that we're interested in, okay? Didn't want to go crazy and start off our air fryer journey with a roast pork. So we went stewed pork and we're going to do some roast potatoes. So as I showed you, these are the potatoes. Let me give you a better view. So I already washed them, cleaned them up. Well, I'm not really clean them up on a chicken, but yeah, we washed them, diced them, and seasoned them. So I added some all-purpose, a little garlic, a little, you know, ginger, garlic powder, little bit of ginger, seasoning, Maggi, and I added about 3 cloves of garlic to it. And yeah, so I'm now going to put some, I'm going to put it in some foil paper because I didn't buy the air fryer sheets. Can't bother with that, or I didn't have the time, not can't bother, but didn't have the time. So yeah, I'm going to put it in some foil and add some butter, a little bit of butter, okay? Yeah, I also drizzled some oil on it. So yeah, this is it. And now we're going to use some foil paper, put in some foil, and then when this is done, when it tells me to add the food, because right now I did show you it says preheat, so when it tells me to add the food, I'm gonna put it in there. So let's do that. So let's do that. So let a foil paper a good amount. Don't want it to drain. So see, Now it's saying perfect timing, guys. It's telling me to add the food. Okay. Calm down. So it's telling me it was just saying to add the food. So now we're gonna do that. Put our potatoes here. I feel like I want to wrap this because I don't want any problem. This is a lot of potatoes. Oh my god. This is gonna be a hassle to flip. But anywho, when we get to that bridge, we'll cross it. So yeah. Making it a little easier by opening it up. I'm sorry you're not seeing what I'm doing. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, so I'm making it a little easier by opening it up, and then voila, it was already preheated, so I'm supposed to add the food. Let me put a little bit of butter. So I want a little bit of butter, I don't want a lot. Don't want any high cholesterol. I think I already gave it two. I mean, it already has oil, but this is just for, you know, sort of a little bit of flavor. You may say I don't want too much alcohol. But anyway, putting it in certain parts, in some pockets. And yeah, that is that. Okay, let's get it. Oh my god, it's hot. This is extremely hot. Okay, here we have it. Let's see. Okay, so here it is, guys. We're 400 degrees and it did it for 24 minutes and it's on roast. So I'll check on. I think I want to put. So you can't see it now, but it's on a turn reminder. I think it automatically selected that. But it's on 400 degrees Fahrenheit and it did it for 24 minutes. So it's gonna give me a reminder to turn it when I need to, and yeah, we'll see. So I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so it's down to the last seconds. Well, I'm sorry, I have to do this over again. This is one of the times I'm gonna tell you. I took it out, tasted it, and then realized say it wasn't videoing, but we're gonna do it again. Oh yeah, this is what it looks like when it's done. I mean, they're not dry, that's good. That's good, so I can see like the seasoning and stuff. You know, little water. So I'm gonna put it in the jar. So yeah. Yeah. Let's do a taste this. Hack Whew. Whew. It's hot. That's why I be having that. But they're definitely roasted. Definitely not dry. Love that. Love that. I'll be doing this recipe many more times, I can tell you that, because I love potatoes. But man, yeah, these are good. But this is the finished product. I don't think I'd want it any more roasted than this. No, cook and it tastes good. Hot. And it tastes good. I mean, let me put it back in, because if I find myself and I will have no lunch or any when I have no lunch and I do. So yeah. I think I just gonna make it keep warm. Whenever I'm ready, I'll come back and put it and keep warm. Oh yeah, as I was saying, if I allow myself, I will have any lunch for tomorrow or any dinner, because this is not a rice and peas day. We tried something new and it never failed. Okay? Welcome. So hot. So hot. So I would recommend you try it. So I would recommend you try this recipe. I mean, it tastes, I can smell the garlic. You taste it also. I wish I had made some garlic butter and throw on it, but basically it's the same thing, because I put the garlic in there and then you put butter. But yeah, I would recommend you try it. I think I'm gonna try this until I perfect it, because I want to like put cheese and stuff and them thing there on it. But this didn't want any cheese right now with, you know, with stew pork and thing. But yeah, you see my face, man, smile, me excited, me have food, you know. But I'm really excited for all the plans that I have for you. You understand? Yeah. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video, courtesy of Gourmia. A joke. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for sticking through. You can drop it in the comments. Let me know if you would try this recipe. I mean, I didn't do the cooking. The air fryer, the air roaster, it roasted it and it angled. Because as I said, overall review, it's good. I would give it 8 out of 10. Not gonna lie. It's not burnt. It's not burnt. It tastes good. Yeah. It's just, I wish I had olive oil and had soaked it in a little bit more. But yeah, I'll do it with some broccolini and some other stuff. But yeah, in time, everything in time. But yeah, guys, as I was saying, let me know in the comments, please let me know in the comments if you would try this recipe, if you try it at home. Have you ever done anything like this, and what did you do different? Because as I said, we're here to perfect this recipe. But yeah, thank you for watching, thank you for staying with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.